A no-cook instant Kaju Katli recipe with the same irresistible essence of traditional one. I am going to share two methods, that is both the Kaju Burfi and the Kaju Katli recipe, so do keep watching. We start by pulsing the cashew-nuts to a fine powder. To do this, simply add the cashew-nuts to your mixer and using the pulse mode, pulse them. Stop in between to scrape the sides and repeat until it looks something like this. Scrape again and add the icing sugar. अगर icing sugar नहीं है तो powder the granulated sugar, sieve and then use. Pulse them as well, just for once. फिर मिक्सिंग बोल में डाल के add cardamom powder for a fresh aromatic essence. Mix well and to combine it into a dough, we will add a little water at a time. मतलब just about a teaspoon at a time. Mix to form a smooth dough. Then press it down in a 5x5 inch baking pan या कोई भी greased pan चल जाएगा वैसे तो. Then add silver edible foil, which is also known as varak if desired, or you can skip it if you wish, and then cut it into squares. अब ये थी आपकी काजू बर्फी. You can sandwich the same dough in between parchment paper, roll it to about 1/4 inch thickness or less than that. फिर वापस सिल्वर वर्क लगा लीजिए if desired and cut it into diamond shapes this time. And ये बन गई आपकी काजू कतली. So simple, right? थोड़ी सी थिक हो तो काजू बर्फी और थिन स्लाइसेस कर लो तो काजू कतली बन गई. वैसे I promise this easy no-cook instant version of making homemade Kaju Katli tastes exactly the same. So no milk powder, no jhanjat about making the sugar syrup or worrying about that one string sugar consistency. Just simple, pure, rich taste in every bite with minimal efforts. So था ना ये एकदम मजेदार? Hit that like button if you thought so, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Until then, this is Sushma signing off. Take care. Bye bye.